In this video, I'll show you how to activate Vanilla Visa gift card. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card, and one of them is simply go here at physical gift card website. This link right here, it's balance.vanillagift.com. Click on it and you will be directed to a new page wherein you can just enter the card details to activate your gift card. That is a 16 digits card number. All right, put the expiration date and the CVV, and after clicking continue, what will happen is you will be asked to verify some information, and once you've done through that, you will receive a notification that your physical gift card is now activated. All right, now in case you are having problems activating your physical Visa gift card, you can simply call the toll-free phone number on the back of your physical gift card, which is 1-833-322-6760. And of course, you will need to provide your gift card number, valid through date, and the security code located on the back of your gift card. However, for Vanilla Visa gift cards, you do not need to be activated it because it's already activated upon purchase and shipped to the recipient's email ready for use. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.